How to delete Life360 circle. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can delete your Life360 circle, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So if you want to delete a Life360 circle, it is actually very simple to do so. All you have to do is, let's say you are in a circle, you are the member of that circle, and then you want to delete that circle. So first of all, what I want you to do is just make sure that a proper circle is selected over here that you want to delete. After you do that, if you tap the gear icon here and go to circle management, you can see we don't have any sort of options to delete the circle. Now, the circle deletion process actually works like this. So let's say that you have a circle with many members. First, what you need to do is go to delete circle members and make sure to delete everyone from the circle, including yourself, right? So except you, just make sure to delete each and every member from the circle. But for this, you need to be an administrator. After you do that, just come back and then leave the circle yourself. So what happens is that after you remove everybody from the circle and then you also leave the circle yourself, that circle will get automatically deleted. Yes, that's simply how it works as mentioned by Life360. Delete everybody from the circle and in the end also leave yourself, and the circle will get deleted itself, and this way you'll be able to delete your Life360 circle. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.